I've made this avocado sauce with basil and garlic and all that good stuff. You're going to need 1 large avocado, about a 1/4 onion, 1 clove of garlic, some lemon or lime juice. I use 1 whole lemon, a 1/2 cup of fresh basil, 2 tablespoons of parsley, or you can use cilantro, about 4 ounces of sour cream, a 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of salt. You're going to place all the ingredients in a food processor or a blender, and you're going to blend it until it's completely smooth. See if it makes a good sauce for pasta. I got a feeling it's going to be just perfect. I'm also going to enhance it a little bit. And the pasta I'm going to be using today is, they call it a Fusilli. So it's basically like a spiral pasta. It's a rotini or a Fusilli type pasta. The avocado sauce is a bit creamy, so you want to add as much flavor into the pasta as you can. So let's get the pasta in the boiling water right now. So the water is already boiling and I've already pre-salted. A couple of tablespoons of sea salt. You want to get these rotini in there. And I'm going to give it a stir just to make sure they don't stick to each other. Put the cover back on, bring it to a boil, cook it according to the bag instructions. This is going to be about 12 minutes, al dente. So I strained the pasta out. You don't want to rinse it, you want to just strain it. I've got some fresh basil here from the Aero Garden. You guys know how much I like the Aero Garden stuff. Stuff just grows. I mean, look at these leaves, they're beautiful. So I'm just going to give it a quick chop. All right. I'm going to get that off to the side. Get my big bowl here. And we're going to dump the pasta in there. Even if there's a little water in it, that's great. It's going to help loosen up that sauce a little bit. Whew. All right. All right, I need a spoon. Grab a spoon here so we can get in here. Now, this is optional. I'm using a little red pepper flake here because I like it a little spicy. So I'm just going to add that while it's still warm. Just over the top. A little bit of olive oil just to get things started. Now I'm going to add some of this avocado sauce that we made earlier. Just a couple of spoonfuls in here. This is Pecorino Romano cheese, and I grated in some of the Parmigiano Reggiano. So it's kind of a wide shred. I'm going to get some of this in here. Okay, so I'm going to save some for the top here. Get the basil in here. I'll save a little bit here for the top too. And I'm just going to give it a stir and see how things look here. Oh, look at this color. Oh, it's beautiful. That green color just comes right out and it smells really good too. You can smell garlic. You can smell the avocado. You know, a little bit of the spiciness of the red pepper flakes all coming through here. So look at everything's turning green. Hey, this would be a good idea for St. Patrick's Day pasta. Here's an idea for you. Make this during St. Patrick's Day. All right, let's move this pot out of the way. Grab my bowl here. I'm going to put some in this plate so we can taste it. All right, a little bit of basil over the top and some cheese. Why not? Hey, you can't go wrong when you add more cheese, right? Just a little bit more cheese. It's a nice fresh taste. It's a nice fresh taste. It tastes really creamy. You know, you can taste a little bit of the sour cream that's in there. Oh, this is really good. So I hope you enjoyed this quick green pasta for St. Patrick's Day. Give me some thumbs up, some likes. Give me some comments down below if you do try it. Subscribe and hit that bell icon so you get notified when I make new videos.